Hello, my name is Ibrahim Mukaila. I am an instructor with Zacrac Learning. In this video, I'll be showing you about the different types of filters we have in Power BI. In Power BI, there are two major types of filter. I'll call them type A and type B. And in type B, there's three different ways we can use it. So, what is type A? Type A is basically a filter that you want your report consumer to be able to control. For instance, you want I have a report here showing our total sales, total profit, total sales unit, and a chart showing the profit by month. I might want my user to be able to say, I want to see only for a particular country. So let's just go ahead and do that, and then we'll proceed from there. So if I want to create a filter where users can change those filters, so we need to come and use a visual of a filter. So one of those visuals that can do that kind of a filter is what we call a slicer. So if I pick that slicer, it comes here, and I go to my country, and I just drop my country here, it comes here. And any of my users can easily come. Let's say I want to see for Canada. Once I click on Canada, it filters everything to Canada. I can come into France, it filters everything to France. I can pick on Germany, it filters everything. I can click on Mexico. I can also go ahead and pick United States of America. So with this, the user of my report can decide which of these countries' report they want to see. That's what I call the type A filter. The type B filter is the filter you don't want your user to interact with. You want to force what the user would see on them. So they cannot change what's happening there. It's left to the report developer to be able to streamline what the user will be seeing. And to do that, you can only do that using this filter here. I'm going to leave this. Yeah, I'm going to leave this, but I'm not going to select anything. So it shows all countries for me now. Now, when you're using this type build filters, yeah, there are three ways you can filter it. You can either filter a visual, or filter a page, or filter the entire report. What do I mean by filter a visual? For instance, I can click on a particular filter like this, on a particular visual like this, and say I just want to filter this report to only show me for let's say for France. So anything you're seeing on this chart will only be for France. So once I click on it, I will go in what I want to use to filter is country and drag it to one of these add. So I'm dragging it on add data field and under filter on this visual. And then I can say, so let's say like Canada. If you check this, as I'm checking each of them, these three are not filtering. It's only this visual that is filtering. So I'm filtering only one visual there. I can select one, I can select multiple, and this works. If I need to filter just one visual. So I'm just going to take this thing off, not to show so that it shows everything, but I'm going to leave it here. The second one is if I want to filter the whole page here, this only page, this is my sales by month page. I want to filter it to show, for instance, only Canada. So all I need to do is seal this filter on this page. I'm just going to go to the column I want to use, which is country, and drag it to this filter on this page and put it here. And then I can just select Canada. And you see everything here turns to Canada. Even the filter that I have here also turns to Canada, because it is filter on this page I'm using. So everything here is going to change to Canada. So I'm going to remove that to do our last thing. So the last type of filter we can use is filter on the report, which means filter on all page, which is this last section down here. Filter on all page means anything I'm putting here to filter will filter all the pages in here. Let's try it out. Let's see, let's not use country this time. Let's go to segment and drag it here. And let's say we just want to filter, see on enterprise alone. So once I click on enterprise, see what happens. This goes to enterprise. I don't want to show this. Let's check another one here. Let me take away segment. Let me use country because of the second page I want us to use. See. And now let's pick on Canada. First thing first, we ensure this one has filtered to Canada because of this. Now, if I go to my sales by country, you will discover it's showing only Canada alone. That's because I use Canada in the filter out page. If I change it from Canada to Germany, this changes to Germany. If I go to the second page also, I'm seeing only Germany here. So these are the various kind of filters that we can have. For a recap, I call it type A and type B. Type A means the kind of filter we want our user or report consumer to be able to control, which is by using a visual like a slicer to do that, where people can users can go in and change as they want. And the type B is in three categories. We either filter visual, which is a single visual, or we filter a single page, or we filter all pages. Yep, that's it. Thank you for watching. And if you would like to learn more on analytics with Power BI and other data science courses, kindly log on to www.zacraclearning.com. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to this channel and also drop your comments below. Bye for now.